strategy gonna help you to make awesome pips from binary.com broker. Okay, this strategy you can use on all volatility markets, no problem. If you boom and crash volatility 75 or any one as index. Okay, so very simple and very easy and awesome strategy, and I'm going to show you. If you are a boom and crash trader, so please listen me carefully and follow the instruction that I'm going to show you. The first of all, you need to pick that moving average. Okay, and choose the period 144. The shift will be 0, a method will be linear weight, and apply to close. Choose any color you like, no problem. Choose a 4 pixel and simply click on done. Again, I'm going to rewind. Parameters period 144, shift will be 0, linear weight, and apply to close, and simply click on done. Look here, that one moving average is on your chart, and the second one, again go there and select the moving average, click on default and change to the smoothed. Okay, just simply click on default and change that method of moving average smoothed and simply click on done. When to sell and when to buy, very awesome and easy strategy. Okay, the first I'm going to explain how to use this strategy for buy. Look here, when the cross happens, it means you have to place your trade, and for stop loss, look at previous low point, put your horizontal line there, set the stop loss, and let's start making pips continuously buy. Look here, and strictly this is a one time frame, and the buy is continuously going up. Okay, if you want to do scalping, switch on M5 time frame. Okay, and once that you see that the market is crossing, moving averages crossing each other, so it's time to purchase your contract. Okay, if you want to buy, simply after crossover buy and after crossover sell until that market continue. Simply step by step increase your stop loss and take the benefit of your trade. Look here, a sell trade, a sell signal after cross, and you continuously seen that the market started downward. And look here, a cross happened, but no, after some time market continuously started going down, and here. Look here, after this cross, and once that cross made here, you have to place your trade for buy and put your stop loss there and buy. Okay, and don't please ask that stop loss work in boom and crash or not. Yes, boom and crash respecting, but just if you are working against the spikes. Okay, and if you're working for spike trading, there is no reason of stop loss. So don't think about other traders that they say, like South Africa traders say that stop loss not working. Stop loss working every market, but just have some methods of stop loss in boom and crash. Cause of that, sometimes people say that boom and crash don't respect of stop loss. Look here, buy and sell. Look here, buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. Each cross. Look here, a cross, and after cross you need to purchase your order and simply go. Look here, a buy, and look here again a buy, and clear buy, again buy, and look here a buy. Okay, I hope you guys looking at these points. Okay, this is a buy trade. Look here, after crossover, look here at this corner, after cross market continuously started going up. Okay guys, and look here, after cross market started going up, and after cross look at this corner of, look here, and this is your sell trade. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Now if you want to scalp using this strategy, okay, how you're going to scalp? Lot of traders beginner using M1 time frame. Look here, after cross place your buy trade. Look here, open your buy trade and go along with market. Look here, for sale simply click at this point, check market started going down, so this is the sale, this is buy. How easily we predict this is an awesome signal, not a fake reversal. Okay, so go and open indicator, click on RSI, set to 7 period, and click on done. Look here, again go indicator window 1, click on select that RSI and choose the period 1000, complete 1000. This is your support and resistance line 1000. Choose the color black. Look here, that RSI 1000 is now going to clear you that market will go where. So simply use this RSI 1000 as a support and resistance. How support and resistance are going to work for you? Once that market cross, it's mean buy. Upward, so it's mean buy. And one market cross and come down, it's mean sell. Very simple. And for more accuracy, use M5 time frame. Look here, a sell signal. Look here, a sell signal. Okay, look here, a buy signal. It started after cross, you made an entry. And look here, a buy pips. Let me put cross here and show you. Look here, buy started from this point. Okay, and look here. Okay, so it's very easy, guys. I hope you guys understand. Now let's move on other currency pairs. Sorry, other volatility pairs like volatility 10 and 25. Click. Look here, that market is in range, so no need to purchase any contract. Wait for once that range closed and market start a trend, simply come and purchase, buy and sell using this strategy. Buy and sell. Look here, and respect this stop loss, this support and resistance. Look here, this is support and resistance in your RSI, and this is your buy and sell. Very easy strategy, and I hope you guys will enjoy. I prefer H1 time frame. If you don't have much patience, please M5 time frame. Okay, any pair, no problem. Look here, 25. Okay, and 25 is moving up, it's an buy. Look here, 10 1S index is selling. Okay, why selling? After cross, and look at support and resistance, and RSI window is down. This 1000 RSI, so it's mean you have to choose a sell trade. Okay, and 51S index, let's see. Look here, M5 time frame, M1 time frame. Look here, a sell, a buy, a sell, a buy. Very easy strategy, guys. Just remember that crossover and look at RSI support and resistance. Okay, that you can have. Analyze M1, M5, M15 and place your trade on M1. Analyze on H1. Okay, place your trade on M15, M5. Analyze H4, place your trade M30, M15. Analyze daily time frame and place your trade on M15, M13, H1, okay, M1, M5. I hope you guys understand. So it's very easy, guys. Look at this point, I'm going to show you a buy signal, and look at support and resistance, a buy, and look at this point, a sell signal. Look here, after cross, a sell signal and made preps, and when that market touched never sold and never bought level, I recommend to close your trade if you scalp or swing trader. I hope you guys will enjoy this strategy and make pips, and I will request to subscribe our YouTube channel so you guys will get update of new strategies, instruction of new methods of trading. If I have any question, any doubt, please feel free check that comment section, paste your question and will help you. Have a great day and good journey in trading.